Hello everyone, welcome back to EuroHub and welcome to the series of lectures in Aircraft Structures 1 or Introduction to Aircraft Structures. This particular subject is one of the introductory course for most of the aeronautical engineering students in all over India. And the course is designed in such a way that it will be like a catalyst for students who are studying aeronautical engineering as well as those who are preparing for GATE examination. Requirement of this course, you have to understand the basics of engineering mechanics as well as strength of materials. And I'm not talking about you should be really advanced in this course, you have to be understanding the basics. Target audience, as I told you earlier, we are focusing on BE, BTech, aeronautical aerospace students and those who are doing their masters in aerospace and those who are preparing for the GATE examination. The first module we will discuss about aircraft load. We are aware that we have different types of loads acting on the aircraft and we will derive certain equations to find out these particular types of load and we will do certain number of problems for the better understanding. The second unit we will discuss about the theory of elasticity. In this unit we will be covering most of the derivative part of the equation, especially equilibrium equation, constitutive law, etc. We will see in that module. In module number 3, we will discuss energy method. That these are certain theorems that are used for finding out the deflection slopes of different types of beam at different loading conditions. So we will be discussing this theorem and we will be deriving a lot of equations also. In module number 4, we will be discussing statically determinate and statically indeterminate structure. So you have to basically understand what is statically determinate and indeterminate structure. In statically determinate structure, the structure can be completely analyzed by the equations of equilibrium, okay, static equilibrium. Similarly, that is not possible for statically indeterminate structure. So how will you analyze the statically determinate and indeterminate structure? That we'll be seeing in module number 4. And most of the earlier airframe we have used the truss type of structure. So we will be completely analyzing a truss structure in this chapter. In module 5, we'll discuss certain number of failure theories which are really important for GATE point of view for both aeronautical students and mechanical students. And in this unit, in this module, we will see different types of failure theory and how this failure theory can be applied to find out whether a structure is failed at a particular loading condition. So this is the course layout of this particular subject. And after learning this course, you should be aware to you should have an understanding about the various loads acting on an aircraft or an airframe, and you have to apply different equations to find out the analysis of find out the loads acting on a structure, and to estimate the deflection of a structure using different energy method. You illustrate different types of statically determinate and indeterminate structure. So you can divide the structure into two. So by learning this course, you should be able to find out whether the structure is statically determinate or statically indeterminate. And as I told you earlier, you have to apply different failure theories for analyzing a structural problem, and we have to arrive at a conclusion whether structure is failed or not at a particular loading condition. So this is about this introductory part. We will see detail in the next class. Thank you for listening. Take care.